Hi guys, welcome to Maverick channel. Guys, we are officially 1K and counting on this channel. It is a wonderful achievement and it could have not been without you guys. So congratulations to you guys. I am very grateful for your support. I am very grateful for your comments and encouragement. Guys, it wouldn't have been possible without what you're doing. So please keep doing what you're doing. Keep supporting the channel, keep commenting, keep suggesting, and guys, keep sharing. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I am grateful and I pray that we keep on progressing as we are doing right now. So guys, sit back, enjoy some of these wonderful comments that we all have been making on this channel. It is our channel. Let's keep droning. We share a wonderful hobby. We share a fantastic hobby, and it is my greatest pleasure, desire, hope that we keep enjoying what we are doing. Let us drone out there safely. Let us watch for the rules and let's keep flying. Let's go airborne. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo-hoo!